Okay, beautiful souls. So basically we will be drawing this. Okay, so I am just taking this pencil and drawing the outline of it. Okay, outline of it. And while drawing the outline of it, what our mind basically should be on should our eyes should go from this person to should travel between this image and to this paper. Okay, so this between this image and to this paper our eyes will travel. So my eyes are traveling and my hand is going by itself only. Like you can see that my eyes are traveling from this paper and I am just imitating. No need to do anything wrong. We are just imitating. I am just imitating whatever is made there. I am just imitating it. Okay, right now I am not focusing on this paper, on this pencil, the tip of the pencil. I'm just imitating it. So what we have to do is we just have to imitate, and our mind should not wander. If it wanders, just bring it back to the tip of the pencil. Okay, just bring our mind back to the tip of the pencil, and you can just if our mind wanders, just bring it back to the tip of the pencil. Okay, and then we can see, like if we want to meditate, we can see that as we move this tip of the pencil, the color of the on the paper is going darker and darker and darker, and we are just how this hand, the movement of hand is will be going by itself only. Okay, then you are removing those thoughts and coming back to the sketching, and after coming back to the sketching, we are again, our eyes will be traveling between this sketch and the this paper. Okay, after that we are just drawing some of these things. Like see, we are just drawing some uh, these things, this portion. You can see that this portion is what, some of the darker color, darker sketches here, no? And here also some more dark things are there. So what we are doing in our paper is we are just separating, we are just separating these these regions. Whatever we are making, we are separating the regions on our paper. Okay, but separating the regions on our paper, so that whenever in the second stroke we can just make this particular region darker. Cool. After that, what we are doing is we will be like doing like this, and after that we will go on with making the outline. Abhi to we are just making an outline. Okay, so just make the outline of this tree. Now we will be making the outline of this tree. Just one thing you have to do, you have to train your mind, your eyes to travel from that image to this paper, and you are and everything will be working on you. You just have to imitate it. Okay, as you imitate, as you just have to imitate it, and like this, okay, these so we are basically making the branches of the tree. So So first, in the first stroke we will be imitating it. In the first stroke we will be making the imitation, and we will be, what we will be doing is, see, this is the tree we have made. So this is the tree we have made. We are just imitating. Okay, we are imitating and making an outline. This thing we have completed. Even if it is wrong, sometimes there might be cases that your intuition tells us that this tree basically does not resembles this tree. So you can just take an eraser and then rub it and then redraw it. Cool. So this basically we have done. Now we will do fragmentation between the sea and the sky. Okay, between the sea and the sky we will do fragmentation. So we are just fragmenting it. Okay, we are just fragmenting it, and then this basically, these are the waves. Okay, nothing but the waves are there. So since, why we are doing this, we are partitioning the things so that in the next stroke we can highlight that which will have darker shade and which will have the lighter shade. Cool. So we are just doing like that and like that. Cool. And after that, cool. So these are basically the waves we have drawn, and then let's this darkness, this is the darkness because the clouds are farther from the sea. Okay, this is the visual effect which will be, so we will just fragment it. So we will just make this region dark so as to separate the, so as to create a visual effect to the viewers that this sky is different from the seas. Cool. So we are just separating this, and after that what we will do, we will just make the clouds. We will just make the clouds. Cool. We are just making the clouds. Okay, so and this portion basically should be of light, like from there light will come. Cool. Okay, so from here the light is coming, and so this is the first stroke which we have made, and we have just made this first stroke. In this first stroke we have just fragmented the piece of this paper, and now in the second stroke we will do shading. Okay,